Fort Pitt Museum has always had a living history program, and this helps bring history to life for visitors to Point State Park. Today, we mainly concentrate on 3 subjects: those that are artificers or skilled labor here at Fort Pitt, things like blacksmithing, carpenters, turners, shoemaking, tailors, all trades that would have been done here in the 18th century. We also fire our reproduction 6-pound cannon. We know there were several here at Fort Pitt during the French and Indian War, as well as the American Revolution. And finally, we've had an ever-increasing amount of programming with members from federally recognized tribes that historically called Pittsburgh home in the 18th century. This not only educates the visitor, but allows these members of these tribes to tell their story. And fire. When people come and see our living history programs, it helps them walk away with a better understanding of the complexity that is Fort Pitt, not only the social complexities that are here, but the everyday hardships and tasks that these people had to do day in and day out just to have a pair of shoes or to have clothing, or the amount of labor that it takes just to fire one of these cannons. So I think it gives them an appreciation for their daily lives, their modern lives that they live today. In addition to living history programs, the museum also hosts numerous amounts of educational programming for students of all ages. Public and private homeschool groups can come to the museum and tour with trained docents. We have a slate of scout programs, as well as scout and homeschool days. In addition to that type of programming, we also host numerous conferences and speaker series throughout the years, including hands-on workshops for adults as well.